Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of PHP. First of all, what is Laravel? Laravel is a free and open source PHP framework that we use to build web applications. Think of it like a set of tools and libraries that help us to build websites faster, more securely, and also more efficiently. We can use it for common tasks like routing, authentication, or database access. This picture illustrates the key features of Laravel. For example, authentication, security, modularity, and etc. Throughout the course, we explore these features in detail.
The Laravel framework has got a handy feature called Facades. They let you use important tools of the framework with just one easy line of code. For example, when you want to write something in the log, you just write log info. Later, we'll explore Facades in detail. WordPress is also a framework because it has rules for implementing PHP codes in it. Let me show you the website of my colleague Dr. Turaj Arminpour. Laravel has got something similar to WordPress called Voyager. It's very powerful, so you can have a look at this course. Voyager has got many components like WordPress, but it only supports Laravel version 9. You can use it to create models and build relationships between tables and etc. There in this website you can see around 120 courses in Farsi. They are completely free. They are quite helpful. They give you knowledge. The URL of this website is el.iranzamin.com. This is a course for PHP in year 2023, but we are going to update it in this current course. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment sections. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you around.